To the Midwest right now, bracing for another round of severe weather that could bring more tornadoes and more heavy rain. That system is threatening storms with strong tornadoes in states that are hit hard by severe weather earlier this week, including Wisconsin. Heavy rainfall combined with melting snow has already triggered record-setting flooding in Michigan. Flash flood watches are in effect for parts of the state, and there are concerns about a 100-year-old dam. The state's governor has expanded state of emergencies to 33 counties to help impacted communities get the resources they need.
This is a severe moment here, but we are dealing with impact of weather all across our state right now. At this time last year, we were beginning to recover from a historic ice storm, as you all remember better than anybody. And over the last few days, we've seen record rain, straight line winds, tornadoes, and widespread flooding.
Well, severe weather also spread into western New York this week. One community south of Buffalo continues to clean up after a small tornado there caused tremendous damage on Wednesday night. Look at that.